Hey everybody, today I wanted to share with you the FitFinder half gauge by Microjig. It's a tool to use in the shop to find the halfway point of different material. You can use it to set up your table saw or router fence for half thickness cuts, and you can use it to find the center point of material as well. I needed it to quickly find those measurements without having to pull out a tape measure or a ruler to do it, and it's very quick. It's made of very durable plastic. It has two magnets on the bottom to attach to a metallic surface, and it's easily set up with just two knobs on the back. It comes with a very detailed manual that talks about how to set it up and the warranty for it, and also a link to the video instructional videos for it. And just to do a quick demonstration of how quick and easy it is to use, this is a 1/2 inch bar that you just set underneath this side labeled P2. You press down on that side, and then you go ahead and tighten up the knobs on the back. Remove that. This is a 1/4 inch, so half the height of this one, and you can see that it fits perfectly under the side labeled P3, and at that point there is your halfway point. So this is going to come in handy in the shop. Highly recommend it, and it's the FitFinder half gauge by Microjig. Thank you.